Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. It's garlic planting time. So we're gonna overwinter some garlic. And usually if you overwinter it, you'll be harvesting early June or late June. But planting garlic is pretty easy. You can see all the holes I got in here. So it's like, this was 2 pounds of garlic, and I'm not even going to make it to the other side. I put them usually about every 4 inches apart, and you don't have to. You can, people even go closer, but it's pretty simple. Just punch yourself a hole about 4 to 6 inches deep, and then break your garlic apart. Make sure it's one, and this end always goes down. Pointed end goes up, that end goes down. And you just shove it way down in there, lightly cover it up, and then what I'll do is I'll cover this whole bed with straw, probably about 2 to 4 inches thick, and that'll be it till time to harvest. So this bed, I prepped it. I got alpaca manure in there and lots of coffee grounds. So hopefully this bed will start coming alive soon, and we'll have some good soil. Right now the soil is really bad. As you can see, it's just high desert nothingness. But other than that, we'll just shake out some hay, start shaking it out and cover it in, and that'll be it. As you can see, I have a good resource of manure. So these beds that don't retain water at all are all going to get done. This is more alpaca manure, and you can use it right away. Well, that's it for now. Adios and God bless.